What is that wonderful smell?
Oh, hello, everybody.
Sorry to disturb you, Aunt Lucy. I was up in my bedroom and I thought I recognized that delicious smell.
Oh, there's nothing better than being disturbed by you, Paddington. I'm just doing a little cooking. It's my special recipe. I'm cooking up a batch for the family because you've all made me feel so welcome.
Oh, how thoughtful.
What exactly is it, Aunt Lucy?
It's a recipe that's been in our bear family for generations. And now the final ingredient.
Oh, is that?
Yes, it's Peruvian chocolate. Here.
Thank you, Aunt Lucy. I won't have it now. I'll save it for later, so I don't spoil my appetite.
Now we add some to the pot. Just need the tiniest piece.
That smells simply delicious.
So, is it ready now?
Yes, it is, Mr. Brown.
Everyone, grubs up!
What's that smell? Oh, it's stupendous. It's delicious. It's coming from the Browns.
I have eaten an awful lot of delicious food in my time, but this takes the cake.
The flavour, it's just scrumflumptuous.
Scrumflumptuous? Is that a real word, Mrs. Brown?
No, this food is so scrumflumptuous, I had to create a new word to describe it.
Well, oh, that's it. I've eaten the best thing I ever will.
Hello. I hope I'm not disturbing. I did knock.
Was there something you wanted, Mr. Curry?
I couldn't help noticing that there's a delicious smell coming from over here.
It's Aunt Lucy's special recipe.
There's one portion left.
Oh, thank you so very much.
I'll get it! Just coming!
Ah, Paddington, we were all just wondering what was making that delicious smell.
It's Aunt Lucy's scrumflumptuous special dish.